The future of dApps. The future of dApp is bright, with many exciting developments on the horizon. Let's take a look at what the future holds. dApp are being integrated with other technologies, such as artificial intelligence and the Internet of Things, to create even more powerful applications. Interoperability is a major focus of the blockchain community, with efforts underway to create cross-chain communication and interoperability between different blockchains. The ultimate goal of the blockchain community is mass adoption of dApp and blockchain technology, with the potential to revolutionize many industries. dApp are still in their early stages of development, and there is much potential for future growth and innovation. In conclusion, the future of dApp is bright, with exciting developments on the horizon that have the potential to revolutionize industries and change the way we interact with technology.